Famous Bitcoin enthusiast Max Keiser has recently shared a declaration that the price of Cardano will fall further down to hit a significant low if it plummets below the mark of $1. He claims that Cardano's ADA could follow Luna's footsteps and head for a catastrophic fail. Is ADA the next Luna? Is this just a mere declaration? Is there proof to ascertain this statement? What was Hoskinson's reaction? Stay tuned to find out. It is now evident that the cryptocurrency market is not looking pretty. Here and there, it is a real pain for every investor. The demise of the controversial stablecoin venture has resulted in a meltdown in the crypto market, which proportionally erased billions of dollars of value in a single day. UST is supposed to be pegged 1-to-1 with the US dollar, but it has lost its peg. UST and Luna are linked as they are part of the Terra blockchain. UST is dubbed as an algorithmic stablecoin, implying that its $1 peg should be governed by the underlying code. This is fundamentally different from other stablecoins like Tether and USDC, backed by real-world assets such as bonds. The UST algorithm works through a complex system of minting and burning tokens to maintain price stability. A UST token is created by destroying some related cryptocurrencies, Luna, to maintain the dollar peg. The extreme market volatility has put UST to the test, and it was unable to maintain the peg. The fact that the Terra blockchain, which underpins UST and Luna, has stopped processing transactions has proven to be a major complication. Luna, the centerpiece of the Terra ecosystem, has not been spared either. Its value has collapsed in one of the most stunning crypto crashes ever recorded. The coin's price fell from $116 in April to just a penny on Thursday. It has fallen further, trading over the weekend for a fraction of a cent. Currently, Luna is down to an eighth of a penny. Such an implosion has been predicted for small cap meme coins in the past, but never for something the size of Luna, which had a market cap of over $40 billion just last month. The consequences of this collapse have been predominantly felt. Over $15 billion in crypto value has been wiped out through Luna and UST alone. There has been succinct reports of self-harm by those who have had most of their savings staked in UST. A lot of people lost a huge amount of money in the collapse. However, the damage is not restricted to Terra's ecosystem alone. Many who were exposed to Luna and UST would have sold big parts of their crypto portfolio to recoup some of the damage, pulling the entire market down. It has become a significant subject of concern that this fallout would have similar effects to other stablecoins. This became prominent when Max Keiser stepped out to make a statement about Cardano's ADA. Max Keiser is an American broadcaster and filmmaker who is known to be a Bitcoin maximalist. He has shared a warning that if the price of Cardano falls below the mark of $1, it will go further down to hit a significant low. He has recently taken to Twitter that Cardano is currently changing hands at the $1.06 mark and is likely to fall to the level of 50 cents once it falls below the level of $1. It should be duly noted that Max Keiser has always been negative about all the altcoins and believes that the only worth cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. Cardano has never been good in his books, nor has Ethereum. This is supported by an incident that occurred between Max Keiser and Charles Hoskinson when Cardano was first enlisted on Coinbase, one of the largest exchanges in the world. In a conversation on Gokhshtein Media, Max Keiser had accused Charles Hoskinson and Cardano of exploiting and pillaging Africa. His comment brought about a question from a supposed Cardano enthusiast who asked what makes only Bitcoin a cryptocurrency for Africans. The user asked, "How is Bitcoin by and for Africans, but Cardano isn't for Africans? Can someone explain?" Max Keiser, who was at the center of the discussion, weighed in with the obvious displeasure towards Cardano and its development strategies. He condemned Cardano's interest in taking blockchain development to African population in his comment. He said it's a colonial, extractive, and dictator strategy and mission. Expectedly, he praised his favorite cryptocurrency Bitcoin, describing it as a decentralized, uncensorable, non-confiscatable money, unlike Cardano. Charles Hoskinson, who was enjoying the popularity of the blockchain project he established, did not reserve his comment for Max Keiser, but rather taunted him for the stern criticism of Cardano. "Max, you're forgetting this tagline. I'm happy to pay for the help you need. PM me like you guys did when you asked for sponsored money." A lot of Cardano community members also condemned Max Keiser's criticism. Some thought the Wash is afraid that Bitcoin's dominance is about to get broken if ADA goes fully ballistic in terms of market value. Now, the question is, did he make this statement out of contempt or right speculations? The statement has elicited a great deal of concerns for Cardano and as usual, Charles Hoskinson stepped up to address it. According to him, the UST crash can be attributed to a coordinated attack that can be faced by any decentralized finance protocol or cryptocurrency. He highlighted that such an attack could be orchestrated by hackers and traders alike, as long as an exploit can be identified and breached. Cardano-based JED is also a decentralized algorithmic stablecoin just like UST. However, it uses smart contracts and the Shin reserve coin to maintain a stable price. By leveraging Shin, any fluctuations in the ADA price are negated by the reserve asset covering shortfalls and protecting collateralization rate. Hoskinson noted that the Cardano employs over-collateralization to prevent the JED stablecoin from veering away from its dollar peg. Collateralized stablecoins are those that are backed by other financial assets, including traditional assets or cryptos. JED's collateralization mechanism is decentralized. This means that it is normally buoyed by users who mint Shin and deposit ADA tokens in the liquidity pool. However, it remains whether Cardano's over-collateralized or decentralized JED stablecoin will stand the test of time. Also, Charles gave some further explanations that, unlike Terra Luna, Cardano is a solid project with a real utility. This is an attribute that makes Cardano super resilient despite the crashing market. Cardano's coin growth is created by the demand for the Cardano ecosystem. The Cardano team has created one of the most powerful blockchain ecosystems that have DeFi, NFTs, and other protocols. The Cardano coin has been around for many years, and this is not the first crash. This is a coin with a potential to weather storms. With many developments that the Cardano team is working on, including the Vassal hard fork and the Hydra protocol, Cardano is expected to bounce back stronger. Cardano DeFi is among the fastest growing in the industry. In addition, it has been stated by Charles Hoskinson that the JED stablecoin could be a game changer in the crypto industry, as it appeals to an entirely new audience at the time when the industry was experiencing astronomical growth. The statement came shortly after COTI partnered with Cardano's stablecoin hub, Ardana, to bring decentralized stablecoin payments to ADA Pay, a Cardano payment gateway supporting over 30 fiat currencies. Cardano has recently launched an Alonzo hard fork mainnet upgrade at that time. The upgrade brought the Cardano network the capability to launch smart contracts, putting it in direct competition with the likes of Ethereum and Solana. But COTI has been on a declining record. The price of COTI has fallen by 38.46% recently. The price declined by 1.22%, although it grew by 2.57% in an hour. The current price is 11 cents per COTI. COTI is 83.87% below the all-time high price of 68 cents USD. The recent circulating supply is 1,048,141,495.22 COTI. Despite this decline and warning by Max Keiser, Hoskinson has gone ahead to announce to the community that the Vassal hard fork is on schedule and will be implemented by the 29th of June. The concept of one man's loss might be another man's gain is starting to get real on the part of Cardano. ADA is currently ranked 7th by market cap on the charts, right below XRP. However, with the ongoing case against Ripple and its effect on the price of XRP, ADA might surpass XRP shortly. Will Max Keiser's prediction truly happen, or is Hoskinson's over-collateralized Cardano and decentralized JED stablecoin stand the test of time? Time will really tell a lot here, but before then, let's hear your view in the comment box, and ensure you click on the subscribe and bell buttons.